to my channel Colorway Lifestyle. Today I wanted to share with you about this fair that is going on in Kolkata right now, India International Mega Trade Fair. It's a consumer exhibition and it takes place in a lot of different cities, and it hosts a lot of different stalls from different countries and also from a lot of cities in India. So this time when I went there, there were stalls from Iran, Dubai, Thailand, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Lebanon. So there were a lot of stalls from different countries as well. Because of the current pandemic situation, you could also book your tickets online on Book My Show. So I already booked my tickets beforehand before visiting. So me and my mom visited the stalls there. The stalls that were there, they had different varieties of things. There was footwear to clothing, from ethnic clothing to modern clothing, accessories, bags, appliances, home decor, furniture. So there were around 7 to 8 pavilions which had different categories of stuff. So maybe the first was lifestyle, the second was clothing, third was furniture. So they were divided into different pavilions, and the stalls, there were like around 10 to 15 stalls in each one of them. It would be better if you carry your own bag and change of money, because not all the sellers give you polythene bags or bags to carry your stuff. So definitely carry your own bag, and also try to book online because it's hands free. You don't need to check in, you don't need to get your tickets. You just show your phone, your booking, and then you just get in. So that was it. Let's start with the things that I got. So the first thing that I purchased was this leaf wine. So this is how it looks. I probably will put this on the edges of my mirror, so it will look really pretty. This is how it looks. It's a very long one. Usually the ones you get on Amazon are pretty short, so this is a very long one. The second thing that I got is also to put on the edges of the mirror. So with this vane, I purchased this light, this fairy light, and the best part about this is these roses. They look so pretty. It has a yellow light. So yes, so I'm planning to put this on the edges of my mirror. This is how it looks, and it has got different modes. The next thing that I got is this closure clips. They've got different sizes. The long one, they've got around 3 sizes, and this is how it looks. It has got different colors. So this is like you can just, if you have some bhujia and stuff and then you don't want to have the whole thing, so you just put these clips and it just stays airtight. So the next thing that I have is this wooden comb, and I've read somewhere that wooden combs are really good because they help in scalp circulation, and also this has got white teeth, so it will detangle your hair very nicely. So this is just a wooden comb, and I also got this small wooden spoon. I'll probably use it to pick my masalas and stuff in the kitchen, so it will probably go in the masala box. This is how it looks. It's so tiny, it's so cute. The next thing that I have are these 2 cushions. So these are like patchwork cushion, and they are mismatched in the color brown, because most of my rooms have the theme brown in them. So this is how it looks. The next thing that I have for you is this beautiful green suit. It's an unstitched suit. So cloth material for the bottoms. You can make a salwar, a palazzo, a straight fit cigarette pant, whatever you like, you can make with this. So yeah, this is how it looks. So we all know that Bengal is the largest producer of jute in India. So I thought of buying a few things from the local handicrafts shops. So this is a blue sling bag which I got for my mom. It has got 2 chains. This is the first one and here's the second one. Such a pretty blue color. The second thing that I got is this pretty beige runner, and it has got Christmas trees at the end. It is a very huge size runner which you can probably use for your dining table, your bed, your dressing table, wherever you want. And it has this pretty detailing at the edges of the runner. So now let's come to the food items. So the first thing is this Morena special gajak. So every year whenever we go to the trade fair, we make sure that we buy gajak. The second thing that we got is this bhujia. And the next thing that we got are these masalas. So yes, you will ask me that why did you get masalas from a fair? So these were actually on a discounted price. So there was a 20% discount on these. So a lot of food items, packaged food items had discounts like which you will not get in retail shops. So it's good if you hoard some food items when you go to the trade fair, because most of them have some kind of sale or offer going on. So I got like 2 masalas. The third thing that I got are these fryams or chips which you fry in oil. So this is a potato lace chip and this is also a potato chip. So I was searching for fryams for a long time and I searched on Big Basket as well, but I couldn't find any, and like I love fryams. So when I found this, there were so many varieties. There was jeera, chili, tomato. There were a lot of varieties of fryams there, but I love potato, so I want like potato fryams. The last thing that I got from the fair are pickles. Well, who doesn't love pickles? So I got a garlic pickle, and this is a teddy ka pickle. I don't know what you call teddy in English or in any other language. So this is really really yum. You should try it. These small round berries, and I also got this sweet bear ka achar. So I got these 3 achars, and there were a lot of food stalls, so you could actually like eat there. There was South Indian, Chinese, all kinds of food stalls there. So like you can like make a whole day out of it. So I hope when it's in your city you go and visit, because it's such an amazing exhibition where you get so much stuff which you won't get usually in like one place. So please subscribe to my channel, because there's gonna be a lot of hauls on my channel soon, and like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.